How to make green screen effect on Android phone. So if you want to make a green screen effect on your Android phone, then first you need to have a green screen wallpaper. So what you need to do is simply go for your browser or your Google or anything, and then you need to search for green wallpaper or green screen wallpaper, or you can search for green screen background, and here you will have all of the backgrounds with the green screen. So simply tap on any one of that, and then you need to download or save the image. So simply tap and hold on to that, and then you will have download image. So download the image, and once the image has been downloaded, and you can open up your gallery, and under your gallery you will have your photo. You can open up that, and then you can go for more, which is on the bottom right, and then you need to set as wallpaper, and okay, go for the tick which is on the upper right and set that as your wallpaper. And once you've set that as your wallpaper, now here you will have this kind of green screen, right? So what you can do is simply take a video or a photo of this mobile device. You can simply use your mobile device, and then you can simply take a video of this mobile device from your another device. And once you've done that, you can open up your CapCut. You can simply record the background by the phone in your hand, and then once you open your CapCut, tap on the new project, and once you tap on new project, you can select the videos. And once you've choose your video, now what you can do is go for the overlay, which is on the bottom of your screen. Tap on overlay and then tap on add overlay, and add the other video, and add the other video as the overlay. So you can simply add the overlay, and once you've added the overlay, you can simply adjust that. And once you've adjusted, now to turn on the green screen, what you can do is you need to simply, in here you can simply swipe right, and here you will have remove BG option. Tap on remove BG and then tap on chroma key. And once you tap on chroma key, now you need to select the region or select the space. You need to select the green screen, right? So simply select the green screen video, and once you've selected the green screen, you can simply choose the intensity, and then you can remove the intensity. So here you can see that I've chosen the black, and then the black will be removed from the screen. So if you choose the green screen, then the green will be removed from your screen. So you can simply choose the intensity, and then you can also choose the shadow. So from this you can simply make the green screen effect on your Android device or Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.